Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a vintage American-made chainsaw, the Homelite 550. That saw was made in 1978. It's 5.1 cubic inch, 84 cc's. Power head on that weighs 18.6 pounds. The saw is capable of running up to a 36-inch bar and chain. This one, we've got a 26-inch Oregon roller nose bar on it. 3/8 chain, and we'll look at some of the features this saw had. Got the on-off switch right here. Chokes on the right hand side, right over here. Got an automatic and manual oiler. This is the pump right here. Electronic ignition, which was really state-of-the-art for that time. 2-piece, one piece here, one under the side cover. Top load on your gas and oil reservoir. Right there. Got that wrap handlebar that everybody likes. And the adjuster for the tension is loosen the two lug nuts up here and right on the side there. This is just a vintage old saw. It does start and run. Seems to run pretty good. We'll go outside and make a cut with it. Be aware that these are vintage saws and you may have to do some work on these if you're using them every day for firewood cutting. These are mainly for the collectors, but if you want to have one of the vintage saws cut with, you may have to do some tinkering on it.